Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Happy Sunday everyone. And I don't know what just happened to my voice, but it was not working properly. So happy Sunday everyone. I don't know what's going on with my voice, but whatever it is, we'll grow with it and keep on rolling. So I'm not going to edit this video at all whatsoever. Let's go ahead and close out the budget, because the few dollars that I have left, yeah, they can only buy me probably a couple, maybe a bag. But then again, I don't know, you may be able to buy a good amount of food with that, you know, if you stick to not spending on junk food or whatever. Let's go ahead and get started. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. Of course, I do all things budgeting here on my channel. And let's go ahead and close out the paycheck for the second paycheck for June before getting in the paycheck budget for July. Let's go ahead and get rid of this budget altogether. So here are the expenses, variable expenses, what I was able to save, debt, all of that. And of course, we ended up with $0. And when it comes to variable expenses, we only had $250, y'all. That's not a whole lot, but a way to make it work. Boy, there was a lot of sacrifices to make that $250 work for 2 weeks. So $150.
Can't stand this hassling with an umbrella in the rain. That's why I got me one of these. Not only do this umbrella come with a clip to clip on your purse, just push this button right here, open it up, and when you're ready to close it, push it. Ain't no need of struggling when you get in the car. Push the button, close it. Oh, you don't got to worry about it flying away or flying up nowhere, because baby, when I tell you they got it covered. Strong handles. And not to mention, look how big it is. I'm gonna link this below for y'all because we're about to go into rain.
$50 pretty much a week, y'all. Food is high. Food is high. Like, thank goodness I went with my first mind and got the 3-pound roll of ground beef, and I think that was $15. But we like ground beef around here. We can make tacos, we can make chili, we can make almost anything. So here are the expenses. Let's talk about it. So let's start the closeout process. And we have the income of $1,563 for the fixed expenses. We have $954. And I should probably go over my expenses with you all, which I will once I get towards the bottom. When it comes to saving, I was able to save that $141. And then we have debt and stuff, which was $218. And I'll go ahead and pause here. Okay, y'all, so let's look at my expense tracker. We've talked about this once, I believe, in my previous video. So right around here is where I was still tracking, and I believe I messed up when it comes to losing or misplacing or even spending $13 more. So on the July 1st, I spent $104.23 at Walmart. $17 did come from my envelope, which I did pay back to my credit card. And then we have $7 coming from miscellaneous, which I did pay that back as well. On July the 2nd, we spent pretty much $7. And I spent that from my debit card. On the 3rd, I did spend $17 from spending. And as you can see, after spending the $17, I did end up with $7 left. Now, what happened to the $20 for fun? I have no idea. I have everything but $13 of it, so I don't know. I most likely spent it. So I just went through, added it in as if I spent it. And let's go ahead and close the budget out. Okay, so we have $16 left. I did go ahead and send $7 to fun because I still don't know where that money went. So I put $9 into fun, and I am going to send, no, $7 into fun, and I am going to send $9 to cruise. And what I'll do, I need to just log into my Ally account and send the money where it needs to go. That way everything is accounted for. Also, for the money that I save for the month, I did go ahead and break that down, which I need to do a video about that. But overall, this is all the spending right here, and we only have $16 left. Of course, if we need any food from now until Wednesday, and today is just, did I say happy Saturday or Sunday? So from today until Wednesday, no, Sunday to Wednesday, if need be, I will take money from, remember I did go through and finish challenges that should have went back to the bank. So we have money from completed challenges. Remember I did say I wanted to put them back in here. Well, put the money back in and just wait. So this is for the October trip, and I think I'm done with this one, so we would end up skipping that one. Mother's Day is long gone, and I don't know how much money is in here. I think it may be $100. If so, I can use this money since I need to actually pay myself back. For Otto does have, I believe Otto is completed. Yes, Otto is also completed, but I want to leave that one alone. This is more money for myself, but I don't want to buy grocery with it. And of course, I believe for Jasmine, she has maybe $3 or $4 that needs to be included. And of course, when it comes to car, I need to start finishing the challenges. So if I truly need money from now until payday, I will go ahead and take it from Mother's Day. And let's see how much money is in Mother's Day. So for Mother's Day, we have $25, $35, and that can buy, I pretty much don't, I don't need too much. So I can use this one if need be. Jasmine, are you sneezing? Are y'all able to hear her? So I could use money from Mother's Day. This money right here is for the October trip, so we'll leave that one alone. We have Mother's Day. This is for Otto, so we'll leave that one alone. We could potentially use mine, and I think that's it. Everything else is pretty much empty. But other than that, we could use all of that money. And of course, we'll just wait until the end to see what really happens. But other than that, this is me closing out the budget. I do hope you all have a great rest of your day.